Is Amazon FBA hard? Amazon FBA isn't hard, but it does require planning, research, and consistency to succeed. The platform is beginner friendly as Amazon handles all logistics, including storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on finding profitable products and marketing them. However, the challenge lies in choosing the right niche, managing inventory efficiently, and understanding Amazon's policies. Once you grasp these fundamentals, the process becomes much easier to manage. The hardest part for most new sellers is product research and competition. You need to find products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Tools like Helium 10 make this process simpler by analyzing trends, keywords, and competitor data. Once you identify a winning product, Amazon FBA takes care of the operational side, freeing you to focus on branding and scaling. Like any business, Amazon FBA has a learning curve, especially when it comes to listing optimization, pricing strategy, and advertising. But with proper training and data-driven decision-making, it becomes a manageable and profitable business model. Many successful sellers started as beginners and scaled to 6 or 7 figures by staying consistent and learning from experience. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.